The ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 TiOC Edition promises an impressive price-to-performance ratio, but is it really the best choice for gamers in Germany? Stick around, because by the end of this video, we'll reveal some surprising drawbacks you should know before making a decision. The ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti features a clean matte black design with sharp lines, a look that fits into just about any PC build. Compared to the flashier RGB lit cards from other brands, it has a more understated appearance but still feels premium. One of its standout features is the advanced cooling system. 3 Axial Tech fans with dual ball bearings provide efficient heat dissipation, while 0 decibel technology ensures virtually silent operation at low temperatures. Compared to ASUS's ROG Strix version, the Prime model is more compact and omits RGB lighting, making it a great fit for minimalist builds. With a price of around 999 euros in Germany, approximate $1,050, it's an attractive option for gamers seeking strong performance without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a powerful yet budget-conscious graphics card, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti is worth considering. Check the Amazon link in the video description for the latest deals. So how does the card perform in real-world gaming? At 1080p, it delivers excellent frame rates, even in demanding titles. At 1440p, it truly shines with consistently high performance that ensures an immersive experience. Even in 4K, it holds strong with an average of 80 FPS in games like Cyberpunk 2077, making it an excellent choice for high-end gaming. If you enjoyed this review and don't want to miss future tests, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. The ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti delivers impressive performance at a fair price. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description for the best deals. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and gaming news.